Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about air travel with your art supplies and how to pack. Well, you can see here, it's pretty obvious. I have actually two suitcases, the checked suitcases. One's for clothing, and the other one is all of my art supplies go into the other checked suitcase. Not your carry-on, it's your checked suitcase, all right? Heard so many horror stories, right? So I've never had a problem. Of all my air travels, my entire life, I've never had a problem. So, of course, these famous storage bags, perfect for your paints, alrighty? Different sizes, gallon sizes, small, any version will work, as long as you can seal them up. But let me show you more what I do. So the first thing I do is I make sure the caps of the acrylic tubes are nice and tight, all right? Then I take some white artist tape, just to make sure that they don't pop open. Very simple, like that. This is white artist tape. I like that. It sticks really well. And into those bags that it goes. Those nice little sandwich bags. Make sure it's the kind you can seal up, okay? I put about this many in there, right? You can see they're all sealed. I do one more thing. I stick a piece of paper, and with a Sharpie, a big fat Sharpie, this is what I write on the paper. Water-based art materials. They get it. Anyone who checks your luggage gets it. And slide it right in here. You understand? I've never had a problem. One more thing I do for insurance, I double bag everything, all right? I put this in another one of these bags, you know, and then when I return home, I'll have the extra bag just in case, right? Anything sharp, I put them in a separate bag. It's a lot easier for people who do check your luggage. They'll see that all your sharp things are in that one, okay? One more cautionary thing, nothing wrong with a little bit of bubble wrap around the whole thing. And again, it goes into your checked luggage. Put my clothes in a separate bag. You know, all my workshops, I do about 35 of these on the road every year, which has been a great time, and I've never had a problem going through the airports. When they ask you what's inside that bag, just smile and say, water-based art materials. And don't say anything after that. Zip it and keep smiling. These are TSA people. They work hard at keeping us safe, and they're my friends in the airport. Never had a problem. Say, I hope this works for everybody. I hope you've had a great time. And one more little thing I want to mention to you. We've been getting all kinds of wonderful suggestions, and you're sharing these posts with so many of your friends. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate hearing your comments too, because it's going to make these even better. Remember, they're short. They're not really a long video, but how to paint flowers or how to do an entire landscape. They're meant to be short, and one important focus on each one. They all have content. So I know our attention span isn't that long. Mine certainly isn't. So they're usually under 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, okay? Every Monday morning they come out. I hope you're enjoying these. By golly, I'm enjoying doing them too. So that's how I travel safely. I've never had a problem. I hope this works out, and thanks again for watching. See you on the next BobBlast. Hi there, you caught me doing my favorite thing. By myself in the studio, I'm doing abstract acrylic painting and collage. Right now I'm painting. By the way, this is the kind of stuff I'm going to be doing a lot of this year. The abstract acrylic painting and collage workshops all over the place. We do the crazy stuff with tissue paper from candy boxes, big sheets of black paper. Craft paper. We make our own stencils with stencil spray cans. Lots of alcohol, water, acrylic sprays. Wonderful. Gel medium, that's our glue for everything, gel medium. And we start off small, these little ones in the morning. These are warm-up practice pieces. And you can see I'm working on some of them all at the same time. It's one of the things that's so much fun in this class. So again, I even had to write it down because it's a mouthful for me. Abstract, acrylic, painting, and collage. Hey, I'll see you there. Excuse me while I go collage. Oh. Gold. More gold. Ooh. Whew. That one's a big one. There we go. If you're gonna do it, do it.
So Bob, where can they find out about these workshops?
Go to my website. It's all there.
robertburridge.com